Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And thank you to all of my supporters, subscribers, patrons, and those who used my link to buy their Tesla, which made me a lot of free miles of supercharging, and so to you. So you can do that. All the links are below. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla Gigafactory 2. Did you know that there is Gigafactory 2 in Buffalo, New York? Not too far, well, far from where I am, but not too far. It has, as of now, 500 workers, going up to 700 workers, and should get to 1,000 workers. And why do I say 1,000 workers? Because the deal, that the Gigafactory was built by New York State, and the deal was that they're going to have they need to have 1,000 workers at least by a certain point, and if not, they will pay a fine, a hefty fine, if they do not have the certain amount of workers. So what do they make there? The Tesla Gigafactory 2 in Buffalo will start making the Supercharger version 3, which is there's only one of them now made, which is I just cannot wait for that to take place, because it will make long range traveling by far equivalent to driving on gasoline, stopping in a gas station. They make solar panels, they make battery storage, those big backup storage. Like I said, New York built it for $700 million back in the few years ago, and Tesla has agreed to employ certain amount of workers. So they are getting there, and the idea of Tesla moving the supercharger production to that location makes absolutely and totally sense, because that factory doesn't produce cars or whatever. It does produce anything having to do with the Tesla solar business, the Tesla supercharger business, and the Tesla backup storage business, big batteries business for homes and for big buildings. So that would be good. They must get to that number, otherwise they're going to start paying a fine. So hopefully they'll do that, and hopefully, to me, my selfish motive is really to see the Tesla V3 supercharger being deployed and installed throughout the supercharger network, because that is going to be a freaking game changer. All right, so that's that, and thank you for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Put it below and help me change the world one electric car at a time, and I see you tomorrow in another video.